All right, my creative entrepreneurs, let's talk about something that literally every successful business owner swears by: email marketing. Yeah, I know. Emails might not sound as exciting as creating AI-powered art or designing viral content, but listen, your email list is your secret money printing machine. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours chasing leads, manually following up, or stressing over sales, AI does it all for you. While you're sipping lattes, working on your next big idea, or even, let's be real, watching TikToks in bed. Yes, really. In this lesson, we're diving into AI-powered email marketing and sales funnels, where you'll learn how to use AI to write emails that actually get opened and clicked. Automate your email sequences and sales funnels so they run 24/7. Attract and convert leads with AI-powered personalization. Scale your business with less effort and more cash. If that sounds like a game plan, let's get into it. Why AI plus email marketing equals your secret weapon? Okay, let's be honest. We've all signed up for an email list and then immediately ignored every email that followed. But if done right, email marketing is still one of the most powerful ways to sell. Why? Because social media algorithms? Unreliable. Your followers? Distracted. But your email list? That's yours. And when AI steps in, it's like adding jet fuel to the system. AI takes the guesswork out of email marketing by crafting subject lines that actually make people click, personalizing emails so they feel one-on-one even when they are not, optimizing send times so you hit the inbox at the perfect moment, A/B testing and learning what works without you lifting a finger. So let's break it down and show you how to build an AI-powered email system that sells for you while you do literally anything else. Writing high-converting emails with AI in minutes, not hours. If you've ever stared at a blinking cursor, wondering how to write a good email, AI just made that problem disappear. Step 1. AI-generated subject lines that hook. Tool: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Copy AI. Example prompt: give me 5 high-converting email subject lines for a freebie about AI-powered content creation. Pro tip: make it fun, curiosity-driven, or urgent. Think, you're missing out on this AI hack instead of AI tips newsletter number 12. Yawn: AI-written email sequences that sell on autopilot? Writing one email is cool. Write in a sequence that nurtures your audience and turns them into customers? That's next level. AI makes it ridiculously easy. What you need: welcome sequence. Introduce yourself, provide value, and build trust. Launch emails. Hype up your digital products or services. Sales funnels. Guide people step by step from just looking to take my money. Example prompt: write a 3-email welcome sequence for my AI masterclass with a fun, conversational tone and a call to action to join. Pro tip: AI gives you the framework, but you add the magic. Personalize it, make it sound like you, and keep it engaging. Setting up an AI-powered sales funnel that converts? Now, what if I told you that AI could take someone from casually scrolling Instagram to becoming a paying customer without you lifting a finger? What is an AI-powered sales funnel? Step 1. AI chatbots and lead magnets. Collect emails automatically, ManyChat, Typeform, or an AI quiz. Step 2. AI-written email sequences. Keep your audience engaged and build trust. Step 3. Automated sales funnels. AI nurtures leads and sells on autopilot. Best AI tools for sales funnels. ManyChat, AI chatbots that engage, collect leads, and answer frequently asked questions. Mailchimp AI and ConvertKit, AI, powered email automation. Zapier automates everything so your sales process runs seamlessly. Pro tip: the key to passive income? Build once, automate forever. AI doesn't just help, it makes it effortless. All right, creative bosses, let's put this into action. Here's your challenge. Step 1. Use AI to write a high-converting email sequence, welcome series, sales funnel, or launch emails. Step 2. Set up an automated workflow in Mailchimp, ConvertKit, or ManyChat. Step 3. Add AI personalization. Let AI segment, optimize, and customize your funnel for better results. Step 4. Launch it and let AI do the work. Bonus: tag me on Instagram at Angelina Mi Lajki when you set up your first AI-powered email funnel. I want to see your magic in action. And just like that, you now have the secret to automated AI-powered email marketing and sales funnels. No more manually writing every email. No more chasing leads. Just a system that works for you 24/7. Next up, We're diving into AI for e-commerce and online store automation, because why not let AI run your entire business while you focus on the fun parts? Let's go.